2 drops of dishwasher soap and a bowl of water, your Nichesix handbag, 2 microfiber cloths, and we're ready to go. So first take one of your cloths and dip that in the soap water, squeeze out the excess, and just go ahead and scrub or wipe all along your handbag. Try excluding the hardware. So I literally go in all the creases, wipe along where I touch the most, anything if I see fingerprints or just some dirt, dust, you know, any marker, and I just go ahead and wipe. Now go in the inside and try and get all the way at the bottom, because you know sometimes there's makeup or food, whatever you keep in your handbag. So I'm just going in and wiping off everything or any little dirt I can see. Once it looks clean to me, I go ahead and take my dry one and go over all the watermarks and all of the wetness and just try and wipe it nice and gentle. And I just go through everything. Don't forget to wipe inside and just clean all of that out so it is nice and smooth. You could leave it to air dry, but I just like to go ahead and make sure there's no more watermarks. Wipe all the hardware so there's no fingerprints, just for extra shine. Because the bag is a strong hold, I go ahead and pull each side and clean the hardware before I buckle each thing, and then I'll let it either air dry and she's ready for pictures. Now I'm just bringing it closer to you guys so you can see no fingerprints. We're all shined up and good to go for our night out. If you want to learn more about how to take care of your Nichesix handbags, don't forget to subscribe and follow us and like this channel.